October, don't leave me. Fall garden checklist, baby. It's Thursday, October the 31st. It's the last day of my birth month. No, don't go, don't go. October, don't leave me. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Do you have one of those fall garden checklists? Yeah, a checklist. A simple list of to-do items. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my mid-fall things to-do list. First up is watering. Check your plant's soil moisture level. You see how dark that soil is? You can already tell there's plenty of moisture here. Let's do the old finger test. Stick your finger in. If you're left with soil on the finger, if soil sticks to your finger, wait to water. If soil feels dry and falls off your finger, it's time to water. Number 2, thinning your seedlings. Thinning allows them to grow into healthy, strong plants. If too crowded, they'll compete for nutrients, water, air, and root space, which can all stunt their growth. I'm finding places to tuck in these mustard greens. I'm building up the soil around the stems in order to give the plants more support. Obviously, there's a lot more to thin out, but I'm not going to bore you guys with the details. Number 3, weeds. Weeds can rob your plants of nutrients. Pull visible weeds out of there. Number 4 on our garden to-do list, pest. Look for signs of pest activity on your plants. Look for signs of insects, eggs, or damage on the leaves. Number 5, check for disease. Check for discoloration, wilting, or other signs of disease. In most cases, it's nothing major, just the plant's going through different phases of its life. Please pardon the background noise, the sounds of living in the city. Number 6, new growth and just overall plant health. Look for signs of stress, like yellowing foliage, drooping leaves. If you know what your plants look like when they're healthy, it's easy to know what they look like when they're stressed out. Number 7, mulch level. Check if mulch needs to be replaced. Mulch is very important for moisture retention. Mulch reduces the amount of water that you need to use for your plants. And drum roll, number 8. Ripening and harvest time. Snatch up those young and tenders at their optimal taste level. You did it. Enjoy the harvest. We made it through the 8 fall garden checklist items. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.